Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine using some products from Red Rose Naturals. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be starting off my routine as I normally do with my cleanser. And today I am using the African Black Soap Foaming Facial Cleanser from Red Rose Naturals. About halfway done with the bottle. A little goes a long way with this product. So I'm going to be applying this after wetting my face, and I'm going to be going in with my cleansing brush. And this is an electric cleansing brush. It has two settings, low and high, and I normally do it on high. So let's get started with this skincare routine. I went ahead and I rinsed the cleanser off with cool water, and now I'm going to go in with my face mask. And today I am using the French Pink Clay Glow Mask from Red Rose Naturals, and I am at the end of this jar, but I do have backups. So we're gonna go ahead and apply our face mask. I'm going to be using my applicator brush, also from Red Rose Natural. Just going in and getting some of the mask on the brush and then applying it in an upward motion. So now we're going to let our face mask sit for about 15 minutes, add a little bit of steam to it, and then we're going to rinse it off and come back with the next step. Okay, so I have rinsed off the face mask, and now I'm going to go in with my Rose Water Hydrating Face Toner. Just going to open that up. Spritz our face and neck. And just pat it in. And we're going to let that sit for about a minute before we go in with the next step. We are going to go in with the Rose Glow Radiance Face Serum. And you can see the glow that it gives. So we're gonna let the face serum sit for a minute or two before applying our next step, which is our moisturizer. Next step is to add our Hydrating Rose face cream. And a little goes a long way with this as well. And just get a little bit. Rub it in our hands. And apply in an upward and outward motion. And that is my skincare routine using Red Rose Naturals. I do have a discount code for these amazing products, which I will leave in the description box below. So make sure that you check this out. Make sure that you click the link and support this small Black-owned, small female Black-owned business. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.